float at home. Yes, that's very nice. Let's make. Hey guys, we are going to make mango float.
What are the ingredients that you are going to use?
Mango, we have crackers, plus we have crackers, condensed
Condensed
milk,
milk.
and cream.
Cream. Okay. Okay, what is the first step?
Let's put the cream.
Okay.
Taro,
Hmm? One direction only. Okay. Continue, 30. So what is that, Zena? That is Nestle
milk,
cream. And that is,
condensed milk.
okay, condensed milk. Okay. And then what are you going to do next? Okay.
Turn it to orange now.
Keep on whipping until it is smooth already. Okay. Oh, careful. Okay, just continue. Later pa, later pa. Later pa. Okay, continue mixing. Continue mixing. Mix and mix and mix. Continue whipping. Whip. Okay, continue whipping. Okay, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Continue whipping. Okay. Continue. A little bit faster. Okay. Hold. Okay. Wow. My young chef. Okay. So you use your container now. You get your container. Okay. 30. You put the container here on top of the table. Then on top of the table. 30. Can you transfer there, 30? Okay, we will transfer this one here. Excuse me. Excuse me. So we will bring this one here. 30. Okay, let's transfer here. This side. Okay. So you are going to put now in the container. Okay.
Araw-araw yan.
Kayang-kaya yan.
First, we need to put graham crackers. Then, put milk and cream. Then, put mango. Then, put graham crush. Yan.
Okay, you design your mango. Design it very well. Okay. what are you putting, Zena?
We have crush.
Crushed graham. How about you, 30? Okay. Okay. So what are you putting now, Zena? What is that? So another level for the graham crackers. 30 is now putting the graham crush. You can add more mangoes there. 30. You can add more mangoes. Then okay. So what are you putting now, 30? The milk and the cream. Okay. And then what's next? Okay. Oh, slowly. What food group does mango belong?
No.
It belongs to glow food. Okay, how about the milk? What food group does it belong?
No.
Raw food. What are the benefits of grow food? Can you grow? It can make us grow. Can make your bones what? Strong. Teeth. Okay, and strong also. The teeth. The head. How about the glow food? What are the benefits of the glow food?
Glow.
Glow.
To make our hair shiny.
Well,
That smells good.
what?
Smells good.
Oh, it smells good na. You can add more mangoes there, 30. You can add more mangoes there. You have plenty of mangoes there, so you can add more. Add more mangoes. Okay. What is that, 30? Mango flow. Okay, that is so delicious and nutritious.
We're going to share this.
Whom are you going to share?
Mommy and
Who else?
Daddy.
Who else? Okay. You can add more mangoes there. Wow. I'm hungry already. I want to eat now. float. Mango float. I want to eat na the mango float. Okay. You can add more mangoes there, 30. Look at all Zena's work. Look at. Sige, you can add more. Okay. Overloaded na, oh. Zena's mango float. Overloaded already with the mangoes. Hmm? Nice? Wow. You still have plenty of mangoes here, Ferdy. You can put more mangoes there. Hmm? Wait, are you done, Zena?
Yes.
Hmm? Huh? Oh, mangoes are floating already there. 30. How about the mangoes here? We still have plenty of mangoes. Hmm?
I need to taste this.
What?
I need to taste that.
Hmm?
Yum.
Okay.
Let's try this.
Wait, wait, 30.
That is yum.
Wait. Hmm?
Yummy. Wow.
Wait.
Makan ang semua.
Ha?
Hindi mo makan ang semua.
Huh? Wait, hala. Nasa naman na. So are you done making?
Hey guys, now here is our mango float. So easy to make. It looks so yummy.
Trinis, what can you say about the taste of your mango float?
Wow, so yummy!
Mm.
I like the blend of the mango and the milk. Cream and milk.
Mm. So perfect.
So perfect.
Okay.
This is glass and this is glass.
Let's eat. Oh, shush. What's this? Oh, shush. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. How about our share?
Yum.
Where is our
Here
share?
you go.
For
For mommy and for daddy.
for mommy and daddy. Okay. Let's eat.
Mango float ba tayo? Bakit? Kasi lumalabas tayo. Sarap eh! Wala. Anda!